My name is Anthony Hansen. For my demonstrative speech, I will be showing you how to do an emergency roadside tire change. Required for a roadside emergency tire change is the owner's manual. It will come with the instructions on how to do it, the jack, lug wrench, and the spare tire, which the spare tire is only for temporary use and then only can go up to 50 miles per hour with it. The tire, lug wrench, jack will be all located in the trunk and may vary with different vehicles. The owner's manual will be located in the glove box compartment of the vehicle. So what you are going to want to do is there's a spot under the car where the jack goes, and that's where you will want to raise the car at. So what you're going to want to do is use the lug wrench for the jack to raise it. You're going to want to make sure that it's in the right spot. Before that too, you will want to put your parking brake on so the car doesn't try to roll away. Then you can start lifting it. So after the car is all jacked up, what you're wanting to do now is go through and take the lug nuts completely off. And just set them aside. So after it is off, for my demonstrative, I'm just going to be putting this back on. In reality, you would just put the spare on if needed. So what you're going to want to do is line it back up with the threads, lift it, push it on, and at first you can just finger tighten the lug nuts on first to get it all level. So after tightening all the lug nuts on by just hand tightening them, you're going to start at the top with the star pattern. You will go diagonally from each lug nut. This is to just set the rim squarely onto the caliper. Then after this, it's time to lower the car. You'll want to do it slowly. Now that the car is set down, what you want to do is go back through and use the star pattern again to completely tighten the lug nuts back up. And that is how you properly do a roadside emergency tire change.